Greetings, Bobcats. I'm Tom Hill, principal at Baker County Middle School. I would like to welcome our 6th grade students, the class of 2028. Welcome to your secondary experience. We're so glad that you're here. I'd also like to say welcome back to our 7th and 8th grade students. It was a great summer. We're looking forward to an awesome school year. We have a lot of changes that have happened at Baker County Middle School, but some of our procedures are exactly the same. So if you're a 7th or 8th grade student, you're going to feel right at home. Those of you that are new students and our 6th grade students that are coming to our campus for the very first time, we do have some things that we would like to make you aware of. In this video, which is going to last approximately 12 minutes, we're going to have our morning routines, our drop-off procedures, where you get picked up in the afternoon. There's a lot of information that will be given to you in this video in the next 12 minutes. I encourage you to pay close attention. We're going to post this video on our website, and we're also going to be showing it at Open House. If you ever need more information, please don't hesitate to call us here at Baker County Middle School. The number is 904-259-2226. Cats, if you look at the shirt that I'm wearing, normally when I would do a video, I would not be in a t-shirt. However, this is our logo for this year. And this is a focus, not just for me, but for our entire school community. We want to be united. We want to be united, serving you and helping you to become the best individual you can possibly be. We're all in, all together. And it starts at this open house. It starts when you're viewing this online, and it's going to take you through your entire middle school career. Cats, I am thankful for you, and I'm here to serve you. Parents, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I want to help you, and I want to support your child as they go through our middle school experience. We are going to be doing some things a little bit differently this year. We're going to be doing common benchmark assessments, and we're going to have a renewed focus on data and looking at how students are performing. I need students to hear that when you're administered the STAR reading or the STAR math, if we've got those major state assessments coming, I need you to take those things seriously, because depending upon your results, that's going to decide what level of instruction you then receive after we get those results back. For STAR reading and STAR math, we're going to take an assessment this coming month. And in the month of September, we're going to be remediating students that may have some skill deficiencies. So I encourage you, this is important. I'm taking the very first moments that I'm talking to folks to talk about this effort and our dedication to data. We're going to be a school of excellence, and it starts with you. And we need you to buy in. We need you to be united with our focus. I encourage you. We only have about 11 minutes of video left. Please give it your full attention. And again, don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions. Go Bobcats!
This is the front. You're supposed to drop me off in the back.
We're on the back part of the campus at South Boulevard. In the mornings, you'll see this sign, and you can make a right turn right here off of South Boulevard and head back into this parking lot to the Car Rider Bus Loop.
Hey, where you want to go this morning?
I don't know. I mean, we only have 3 options, but I think the media center is probably full with only 44 kids.
Yeah.
Are you hungry? Do you want breakfast?
I am kind of hungry. Let's go to the cafeteria.
Okay, so no gym.
No, let's not go to the gym.
All right, but you can only go to the gym, the media center, or the 6th grade cafeteria.
Right, let's go.
And we got to stay there. You know we can't leave, so you sure?
Yeah, no, I'm sure. I'm really hungry.
Okay.
So students, we have a no cell phone usage policy here at the Baker County Middle School. Make sure your cell phones are turned off after the first bell. Put in your backpack and put away. Also, your earbuds or anything that is a smart device needs to also be put away. If your cell phone happens to be taken, a parent will have to come to the front office and pick it up.
Okay guys, you must keep your planner with you at all times. It has the passes in there that you're going to be using to go to the bathroom, the nurse, the media center, the hallway. It also has other important information like conduct and behavior expectations and all the school rules. So make sure you check this out before you get to school and keep it with you at all times throughout the year.
We have 3 different bell schedules here at the Baker County Middle School. There is a red week, a white week, and a blue week. Red week is periods 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. White week starts with 3rd period, then goes to 4th, 5th, 6th, 1st, and 2nd. Blue week starts with 5th period, goes 5th, 6th, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. We also have a staggered dismissal at Baker County Middle School. You will be released by grade at the end of the day.
Hey Bobcat parents, if you're looking for a way to keep up with your child's education, their attendance, grades, discipline, all you need to do is go into Skyward. This form will be given to them the first week of school and you can fill it out and have all their information. Now if you've already filled out a form, you do not have to fill out another one. So be sure to stay connected through their portal of Skyward.
BCMS students are expected to read each night working towards their AR goals. AR encourages students to read for comprehension and vocabulary building purposes. Students are required to earn half of their AR points at progress reports, and all of their assigned points are due on the last day of the 9 weeks. Happy reading, Bobcats!
This is the front office. This is Miss Griffiths. We have a policy that you cannot deliver things during the school. We do not accept deliveries for students. This includes lunches, gym clothes, band instruments, backpacks, projects, and etc. Students should bring all necessary items with them to school. Thank you for your cooperation.
Welcome to the Media Center. Ms. Lambright is the Media Center Specialist, and she can help you find a multitude of genres here in our Media Center. You will take AR tests here in the Media Center. You can check out books. You'll rotate through here with your reading teacher. You can also come at your leisure in the morning and after school.
This is the guidance office. This is Miss Janice.
Hello, I'm Dr. Peterson and this is Ms. Griffin. We are here standing in Student Services. We want to welcome all of our 6th graders here to Baker County Middle School and tell you a little bit about Student Services. Ms. Griffin?
So Lost and Found is located here in Student Services. Miss Amber is here for dress code violations. Also, if you have any problems going on or things occurring on campus that you need to speak to someone about, we're always here and open for conversation and to help you with any problems that arise.
And we ask that before you do that, you always get a pass from your teacher.
We look forward to seeing our future Bobcats.
Hey Bobcats, I'm School Resource Deputy Chad Montine. Next year you need to make sure that you are following school safety, and if you see something, say something. You can always report anything to us at 904-259-0953.
When you enter the hallways, you'll enter in through the right and exit through the left. Now, at BCMS, we like to be kind and hold the doors for each other. You're welcome. You're welcome. Hey, Bobcats. In 6th grade, you have 2 hallways. We ask that you enter on the right and exit on the right when you come in the hallways. Now, in the halls, you'll see your friends, and we ask that you wave at them and talk, but please don't stop and have a conversation. So when you come in the hallways, enter on the right and exit on the right.
On your schedule, there are a few things that you'll need to know. One thing is you will need to have clothes to dress out in, because in gym, we dress out. You'll need to have either red, white, blue, black, or gray, shorts and a t-shirt, and tennis shoes. Another thing you'll need to have is a combination lock. We prefer you to have the combination locks and not a key lock, as keys tend to get lost. And you will be assigned a locker when you come to gym. You will have that locker for the year. You'll bring your clothes and you'll leave your clothes in the locker, and at the end of the week, you'll take them home and wash them and bring them back on Monday. We look forward to seeing you, Bobcats.
Hey there, 6th grade students. This is the cafeteria. When you walk in, you're going to have a seat and sit quietly and wait for a teacher to call your table.
Now, at your table, there should only be 12 students there. Once the teacher comes to your table and tells you where to go, there'll be another teacher up there to tell you which line to go through. We ask that you get everything you need through that line and then go and have a seat. If by chance you forgot something, just raise your hand and the teacher will come and help you out.
Now, when you go to leave the cafeteria, you can't just get up and leave whenever you feel like it. A teacher has to come and dismiss your table before you can go.
Make sure you pick up all your trash on the floor, on the tables, all your trash.
During this school year, we will continue to follow some of the CDC guidelines related to COVID-19. One of those guidelines is social distancing. Parents, we need your help, especially at lunchtime. If you would encourage your students to follow our expectations that students sit every other seat in the cafeteria. We are attempting to have students as far apart as possible and still be able to serve lunch in a timely fashion. Some of our classes will eat in the classroom, while others will be here in the cafeteria. Parents, again, if you would help us by encouraging your students to sit every other chair, we'll do the same during the school day during lunches. If you have any questions about how we're handling the situation related to this pandemic, again, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'll be glad to speak with you.
One of the great things at BCMS is all the extracurricular activities you can join. And there's great opportunities for 6th graders. We have clubs and all types of sports. You can find out more information on the website or in the morning announcements.
Is this where I'll pick you up every day?
Yes, you can pick me up either behind the gym or the band room.
One of the reasons that we emphasize the ROAR expectations are because they will lead you to academic and social success, not just here at the middle school, but as you progress into the high school. Our aim is that you leave the 8th grade, whether that be 1 year from now, 2 years from now, or 3 years from now. You leave the 8th grade, go to Baker County High School, and you find just tremendous success there. Once you've been successful there, we hope that you'll then be prepared to be successful in the next stage of life, whether that's going to college, joining the armed forces, or entering the workforce. We want you to be the most successful version of yourself that you can be. Whether you're graduating in 2026, 2027, or 2028, I need you to know that we are here for that eventual success. By showing respect, organization, having a positive attitude, and being responsible, you're going to be able to find that success. I've had personal children that have come through this school, and they are very successful now in college. One of the reasons was because they displayed these character qualities. I encourage you, if you're a parent hearing this video, please remind your students of our expectations for their behavior and their academic effort while they're here. If you're a student, I need you to know these things really are important, and they will lead to your current success and that future success I've talked about. I go to every single graduation. Years from now, I'm going to be there at yours, celebrating that success. Let's be united in that effort. Have a great day, Bobcats. And again, if you ever need any assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to myself, our guidance department, or our other front office staff. Let's have a great year.